Guys, welcome to CBC State Board Study Circle. Today let's discuss Santu Titles, 3rd Standard English Santu Titles, chapter number 2, that is Badal and Moti. Already chapter 1 uploaded in the channel. Okay, you can go and you can watch that video, the complete video in the channel. It is available. Okay, so let's discuss Badal and Moti. Exercises part. First one, let us think. In that A, answer the following. First one, what did Badal come across by the side of the road? Answer, Badal came across a puppy shivering in cold side of the road. Okay. Second one, what did Badal and his mother name the puppy? Answer, Badal and his mother named the puppy Moti. 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 Third one. What did Badal fall into? Answer, Badal fell into a deep pit on a muddy lane. Fourth one. How did Moti find Badal? Answer, Moti caught Badal scent, followed it to the pit, and started barking to alert neighbors. Now, fifth question, write T for true and F for the false statements. Okay. A. Badal lived his grandmother. It's a fall. What is the right answer? Badal lived with his mother. B. Moti grew up and loved Badal. It's a true. C. Badal's mother was worried when he did not come home in time. It is also be the true sentence. D. Moti caught Badal's photo. It is false statement. Actually, the real statement or the correct statement is that Moti caught Badal's scent. E. Badal hugged his puppy Moti and thanked him. Yes, it is true. Because of that, Moti only is going to be saved, na? Yeah. Next, B. Think and discuss in pairs. Think and we need to answer by ourselves. Okay. First one. Do you remember when you fell down last time? How did you fall? Who picked you up? Share your experiences. And the answer is yes, I fell when I was learning bicycle. My sister picked me up. Second one. Do you have a pet? Do you know someone who has a pet? Answer. Yes, I have a pet named Dodo. And my neighbor also has a pet. Third one. If you were allowed to keep any animal as a pet, which animal would you choose and why? Answer. I would like to choose dog as my pet because dog is very honest animal and it guards our home. Next A. Look at the following words from the lesson. Lived, L-I-V-E-D, lived, L-O-V-E-D, loved, P-L-A-Y-E-D, played, G-A-T-H-E-R-E-D, gathered, T-H-A-N-K-E-D, thanked. Okay. Notice that all these words end with ed. All these actions have already happened. Okay. All these words, they are ending with the ed and these are the action words. And what it says that yes, already these actions were done. They were happened. Okay, add ed and write walk plus ed. It is walked. 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 Then play play plus ed. It is played. 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 Third one talk talk plus ed. Talked. 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 Fourth one ask. ask plus ed. It will be asked. asked. Next touch plus ed. It is touched. 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 Walked, played, talked, asked, touched. Okay? Yes. Next, B. Match the words to make pairs. Color each pair with the same color. Two have been done for you. See, first we need to match the words and then we need to color both the boxes with the same color. One they have done. Paper, pencil. See, paper is also in yellow color and pencil is also in yellow color. Next, chair and table. Chair is also in the blue color and table box is also in the blue color. So like that only here we need to join, okay, or to match the remaining four words and we need to color the same. Okay, color is yours choice. Okay, bat and ball, needle and thread, lock and key, idli and sambar. Is it your favorite idli sambar? If it is yes, then comment me. Next A. Your teacher will read out the story of Badal and Moti once again to you. Now, read the following sentences and number them in sequence of the story. The first sentence has already been marked for you. So first I will read all the story, then we will going to be mark it. Okay, we will arrange this story in a sequence, in a proper order. One rainy day, he slipped and fell into a deep pit. Second point, Badal and his mother named the puppy Moti. Third point, Badal hugged Moti. Fourth point, Badal came across a puppy by the side of the road. Fifth point, Moti accompanied Badal's mother to search for him. Sixth and the last point, Moti followed Badal's saint and went near the pit and started barking. So the story is there, but what happened? The sentences were jumbled. The story is totally jumbled. So we need to arrange the properly sentences, then automatically the story is also going to be arranged. Okay, one they have only done. Badal came across the puppy by side of the road. First point. Then the second sentence, Badal and his mother named the puppy Moti. Third one is, one rainy day, he slipped and fell into a deep pit. He means so, the Badal. The next, Moti accompanied Badal's mother to search for him. Moti followed Badal's saint and went near the pit and started barking. Badal hugged the Moti. Okay, got it? Next. A. Talk in a pairs about what do you every day. What do you do every day? First one, before you come to the school. Second one, during the school hours. Third one, after going back to school home. Okay, what you people will do, you just need to discuss, need to talk with someone, to your friends. Okay, the first one is given for you. You may use the following clues. First one, before you come to school, means at home, what you people will do. Okay, every day I dash up. Every day I get up. Get, get up. At dash in the morning at 7 a.m. in the morning. Then I dash my teeth. I brush my teeth. BRUSH, brush my teeth. And I go to the dash. I go to the toilet. TOILET, toilet. After that, I take a dash. I take a bath. BATH, bath. And dress up for school. I dash breakfast. I eat, EAT, eat breakfast, and I dash to school. Geo, go. I go to the school. So by using the first clues, we have completed the first one. Now it is time to complete the second one. What is the second one? During the school hour. So what we will do during the school hour? So we need to write that one. Okay? Ha. In school, I listen to teacher and learn new things. And during after going back to the home, third one it is. Yes. After returning home from school, I complete my homework and play with my friends. Okay, and along with these sentences, even you can add that now I'll have my dinner and afterwards I'll go to bed. Okay, so like this you can complete the all three. Next, A. Look at the pictures. They show a story of two friends, a pigeon and an ant. But the pictures are jumbled up. Number them to get the correct order to make a story. Okay, here it is a story of a one pigeon and an ant. Okay, yeah, and but the pictures are jumbled up, so we need to give the proper order, proper number to the pictures, means we can form the story. Here first one it is a pigeon, the next given to the ant, which is which is flowing in the stream, which fell into the stream. Okay, here the dove, the pigeon is sitting on the branch of a tree, okay, side of the stream, and it is relaxed, in a relaxed mood. Okay, okay, but here the ant, what happened? One ant fell into the water, fell into the stream. Then next here the dove, it wanted, or the pigeon, it wanted to help the ant, so he gave the leaf. And by climbing that leaf, here the ant, it came out safely from the stream. So one day what happened? One hunter came and he wanted to shoot the pigeon. But what happened? Now here the dove, it bite that hunter and the aim was missed and the dove was flew away from there. Okay, so let us write the story. B. Now fill in the blanks using the words into the box. Complete the story. Leaf, flew, branch, climbed, fell, stream, hunter. A dove was resting on a dash of a tree, on a branch of a tree, branch, branch of a tree, near a dash, near a stream, stream, stream. An ant dashed into the stream. An ant fell, F-E-double-L, fell into the stream and cried for help. The dove dropped a dash into the stream. Leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf. The dove dropped a leaf into the stream. The ant dashed on the leaf and landed safely. A ant climbed, CLIMBED, climbed on the leaf and landed safely. Another day, the ant saw a dash aiming at the dove. A hunter, Hunter, hunter aiming at the dove. She quickly climbed up and bit the hunter's hand. The dove dashed away unhurt. Flew, Flew, flew. The dove flew away unhurt. Okay. Next, see. Look at these sentences from the lesson. Can this puppy stay with us, Ma? Yes, beta, but only if you promise to take care of the puppy. The first sentence it is end with the question mark because it's an interrogative sentence, and the next sentence it is end with the word full point because it is a statement, assertive sentence. Okay, add a question mark or a full point to the following. Okay, yes, the sun rises in the east, it is a normal sentence, so put full point. What is your name? They are asking question na, so question mark. Third one, I like to eat mangoes. It's just a normal sentence, so put full point. Fourth one, may I borrow your English textbook? Question mark. Yes. Fifth one, Brinda and Namrata are good friends. It's a assertive sentence, normal sentence statement, so ends with the full point. Sixth one, whose shoes are these? Whose? They are asking na, question mark na. So question. Chalo. C. Complete the following conversation between two children. So we need to what are the complete the conversation between whom? Between these two children. Namaste. First child, Namaste. I am Anandi. What is your name? What is the first child name? It is Anandi. Namaste. I am Rahul. I live in Jayanagara. Where do you? Who asked? Anandi. I live in. Sorry, where do you live? Anandi asked. So here the Rahul replied, I live in Basavanagara. Then next, now it is Anandi's turn. I go to Oxford Convent School. Anandi replied. Yes, Rahul, yes, I study in that school too. He said, Are, I'm also going to same school. I'm also going in that school only. So now the Brinda, she started asking, Really? Which class are you studying in? Which class are you studying in? She asked. At that time, Rahul, I am in class third standard, he said. And again he asked to the Brinda. Okay. Sorry, Anandi. Which class are you in? So Anandi replied, I am in class fourth standard. She's senior than him. Okay. Yes. Nice meeting you. See you in the school tomorrow, the Rahul replied. So this is a conversation between these two children. Okay, Anandi and the Rahul. Next A. Look at the picture below. It shows three children playing. Would you like to add anything to the anything to this picture? Use your crayon or color pencils to add to the picture. See here. It's totally empty, na hardly the two trees are there and the three children are playing and few houses are there and remaining all it is totally empty, bare is there. So we need to use our colors, our crayons and make this picture as a colorful. Okay, so let us do. See, mine is here. See how nicely I drawn. Here on the road is there. The view, what the big trees are there. The mountains are there. The sun is there. The beautiful birds are flying. Here one small child is playing. He's what? He's what? He's constructing the house by using the mud and all. Okay, he's playing and such a beautiful small flowers are there, butterflies are there, snail is also be there. Okay, so Seema, I have filled this picture with the colorful crayons by using the crayons and all. Now it is your turn to fill your picture in your textbook. Okay, hope you people like this video because this is the last exercise of this chapter Badal and Moti. So till here we have discussed what are the exercises of Badal and Moti. So thanks for watching this video till the end. Please like, share and subscribe the channel CBSE and State Board Study Circle to watch upcoming videos of NCERT English. Okay? Thank you. Of all classes. Thank you.